What's up everybody, Don here from Anvil Strength. Today I got another workout for you. So far we have a leg workout, we have a chest and back workout, we have an arm workout, and today we're going to go over shoulders and neck. Yes, I do know it's a little bit of a bro split, but this is targeted for beginners, people trying to lose weight, people just trying to get used to the gym in general. Now, a couple things to do with shoulders. I strongly do not recommend doing them the day after or the day before you do chest. It uses a lot of the same muscles, and I've had some problems getting a little bit of tendonitis in my shoulder from doing that in the past. And also, if you can remember from our chest and back workout, I do most of the rear delt work on back day. So, that having been said, you are doing your 20 minutes of cardio with increasing intensity. You are cleaning up what you eat, because remember, you cannot outwork a bad diet. And now you're ready to do some shoulders. Now, like most of my workouts, it's gonna start out with the main movement, and then some supplemental movements, and then a burnout at the end. Now, the all-knowing, the greatest main movement you can do on shoulders would be the overhead press. And right here we have overhead press with a barbell, four sets of 5 to 8 reps. Now we want to go a little bit heavier on this, and you can use your legs to press up the last couple of sets. The importance on this is to move some weight. So after we do a set of overhead press with the barbell, we're going to drop the weight and go directly into a dumbbell press. Now there are very different hand positions and styles of shoulder press you can do with the dumbbell. I say pick one you like, or rotate them and vary it. But for opening, we're gonna do barbell press, 4 sets of 5 to 8, go straight to a dumbbell press, 4 sets of 10 to 15. Remember, we're gonna work on going slower and work on form with the dumbbell press. Now, after we've done the first circuit, we're gonna go on to the next circuit. We're going to do shrugs. Now with shrugs, you can use a barbell, you can use dumbbells, you can use a trap bar, you can use kettlebells, you can hold plates, whatever your gym has, it really doesn't matter as long as you're doing them. Or, like me, like I said before, you can switch it up. You're gonna do a set of shrugs. Then you go straight to front shoulder raise. Now on this one, we're gonna have to use a barbell, and we're gonna have to go all the way up. If you don't know what I mean, I'll have there's clips at the end of this video of this workout. But instead of going up and stopping parallel, we're gonna go all the way over our head. It creates a better burn. I think it's more functional, and it's overall better in my opinion. Then, once we do the front raises, we're gonna drop the bar and go straight to a side raise, or a lateral raise. You can use dumbbells. You can do one arm at a time, or both arms at the same time. Again, I'm gonna have an example of this at the end of the video. And we're gonna do 4 sets of 8 to 15. I have a big range there in case you wanna go heavier on some things and then lighter on some. For example, if you wanna do 8 heavy shrugs and then drop down to 15 front raises, or if you just wanna do a heavier day or a lighter day, that's really up to you. And then the last circuit we're going to do is gonna be more of our burnout portion. We're gonna do a set of cable side raises, straight to face pulls, straight to a set of abs. I just threw the set of abs in there because you're already right there holding a rope. It is just easier for everybody. I like to do abs between almost every set. I recommend the same. But on this circuit, you can do 2 sets of 25 of each, or walk the rack, as I like to call it. Do a set of 8, set of 10, set of 12, and set of 15, or count down. That is up to you. Again, you can switch it up. Do 2 sets of 25 one week, and then the next week do walk the rack. Couple things is important with this whole series on weight loss is to do quick reps, low rest periods in between sets. That is very important. And get in and get out. So 20 minutes of cardio, do superset circuits, everything with low rest rate. I haven't done a video in about 6 weeks. If you can't tell, I'm a little rusty. But overall, this is, I'll have another video on programming. I have 4 workouts out now. You can work out 4 to 6 times a week for weight loss, 3 to 5 times a week for muscle gain or strength gain. We still have some more of our, what are these called? We still have a few of our decals. We have them in male and female, but they're going fast. So if you're interested and you want one, just direct message me or leave a comment and I will send one to you. Again, thanks for watching. There's a better, leaner version of yourself dying to come out. It is your life and yours alone. Rise up and live it. Thanks.